So let's see today's delicious oats, vanilla and chocolate chip cookies. Now I'm going to go through the dry ingredients. There are very few ingredients in the recipe. So here in a large bowl, I'm going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Next goes in half a teaspoon of baking powder. And here I have 1.5 cup of oats that I've just run through the mixer to make a very fine powder. Now we're just going to sift this or sieve this. And once we finish with the sifting, we're just going to take a whisk and just mix the 3 ingredients well together. It's very important to whisk the 3 ingredients together. That way the baking powder, the flours will mix well together. So these are our dry ingredients. And now I'll take you through the wet ingredients. So now in another bowl, I'm going to take half a cup of melted butter. To that, I'm going to be adding 1/3 cup of regular powdered sugar and 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Now, brown sugar is really a very key ingredient in choco chip cookies. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So try to get your hands on the brown sugar because that will really make the difference in the taste and you'll get the actual chocolate chip cookie taste. Brown sugar is easily available online and it's also available in stores. Now mix all these ingredients really well together and we're going to add these wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And now just just mix everything really well together. Use a spatula like this and not a whisk and just fold the ingredients well together. Now here you can see that I have a mixture of white chocolate chips and dark chocolate chips. So together this is about half a cup. You can add more also. So this also brings about a beautiful taste to these cookies, adding both the types of choco chips. Do give it a try, it's really amazing. And now once you've mixed the dough really well, you're just going to put a lid on it or a plastic seal like this, plastic foil. And you're just going to put this into the refrigerator for an hour. This is very important that you let this rest in the refrigerator for an hour. Now after an hour, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Here I've just lined my baking tray with some parchment paper or baking paper. I'm going to take a tablespoon of the filling like this. And we're just going to roll it out into balls like this and just press it down a bit. And don't overcrowd your baking tray. Keep some space between them so that they bake really nicely. Now from this mixture, I got a total of about 20 cookies, and then I baked them in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And now the cookies are all ready and you can see how beautiful they look and they taste even more delicious. So let them cool completely before you put them into a cookie jar, and this should be had with a nice chilled glass of milk. So I hope you liked today's recipe and I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Take care guys. Bye.